So we are one of the few labs that actually shown a compound that can restore the function to that of the normal healthy mouse, especially when the compound is given after the brain is well developed. That is clearly a challenge as of now. And we are probably the second compound in the world that has actually shown this kind of effect. So when I say after the brain is developed, by the time we take the child to the doctor, when let's say they're 2 years or 3 years of age, 70% of the brain is already well developed. That means the connections in the brain are formed. And changing those connections are very, very difficult. It's extremely challenging. And so our compound, when we give them equivalent of 10 years of age in the mouse, that is almost 3 or 4 months old mouse, we were still able to restore the behavior to that of the normal healthy mice. So this is very exciting for us because, as I said, not many compounds can do such an correcting of the deficits that we observe in autism. So we've been trying to talk to some companies to take it forward. In India, there's one company that has come forward, and we are in touch with the SYNGAP Research Fund in America and also in Austria to help us put in touch with companies for further trials. And we are open to collaborations with labs and also other companies who will be interested in taking the compound forward.